Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how can you make your game graphics better in just 4 simple steps. So the first step is about lighting. Lighting matters a lot in video games. Lighting is mostly of two types, baked and real time. Today we are going to use baked lighting to make game graphics better. So what the heck is baked lighting? Now baked lighting can also be said as fake lighting because it is already calculated and not rendered in real time. You can use real-time lighting and baked lighting together to get some excellent results. For now, just remove any powerful light source from your scene and add some color changes to make your scene look from this to this. If you look at the scene, the baked lighting bounces off from surface to surface and make the scene look much more better. Secondly, skybox. Skybox is a hope coming from the sky to make your dirty game look better. Or you can say it's just the sky of your game. An example of skybox image is on your screen. Here's the game look before adding skybox and here's after. On number 3, we have reflections. I don't think I have to explain it, but if your game engine doesn't support them directly, you can simply create them by adding 4 cameras around the object and rendering their footage onto the object. Lastly, we have camera filter or post-processing. It is used to give the player more feel of its surrounding or achieving great effects like motion blur,